It was quite the party recently at the Norfolk Animal Care and Adoption Center.
Every year in the springtime, every shelter experiences what is called kitten season. And we don't have a puppy season anymore, and that's the good thing, but we still get far too many cats and kittens into the shelter, particularly during the spring and summer months. Nationally, June is Adopt a Cat Month, and our way of celebrating for 3 years running is to hold this amazing Kitty Palooza event. It's a 4-day event. We adopt out well over 100 cats and kittens. The community is really starting to look forward to it, and it's a ball.
From rambunctious kittens to more seasoned cats who were a little less agile, there were nearly 200 feline friends of all types for folks to take home. $25 for one or two for $40.
This event really boosts our adoption rate far beyond, far beyond what we normally see over the course of a weekend.
A big weekend for these guys and for the Norfolk Animal Care and Adoption Center. But there are other animals here who would love a home any time during the year.
This is an ongoing effort. We want people to come in, have a good experience, tell their friends and neighbors, because we have so many deserving animals here. Not just cats, we have dogs, we have rabbits. We take anything and everything. And so summer months are really a strain for us when we can get between 600 and 700 animals each and every month.
Being a city shelter, many times there are more furry friends needing a home than there are dollars to put on events like these.
Events like this would not be possible without the help of the Friends of the Norfolk Animal Care Center. Donor funds help pay for this, and this year we were very lucky to receive a Petco Foundation grant, which helps with all of these subsidized adoption events.
For Norfolk News Now, I'm John Linka.